as we light up the candle, it heats up the air around it, and we know hot air is lighter than cold air. So it starts to rise and pushes on the spiral, causing it to spin. In this case, two forces acting downwards. One is gravitational force and second one is air pressure inside the glass. When we invert the glass, the water moves downward and creates a very little vacuum on the top of the water. So the air pressure decreases inside the glass. The air pressure pushing down on the water from inside the glass is less than the air pressure pushing up from the outside. This pressure difference is greater than the gravitational force which pulls the water downward. That's why the curd stays on the glass and water don't spill out. When flame hits the air inside the bottle, it expands quickly. Some of the expanding air escapes from under the bottle. That's why you have seen some bubbles. At first, water levels start to rise to the bottle because oxygen burns and produces carbon dioxide. The volume of carbon dioxide produced in this reaction is much less than the oxygen used in this reaction. So water fills the vacuum. After light of the candle, when the air inside the bottle cools down, it decreases the volume and the water replaces the place.